Good morning, students. I hope you are doing fine and you are doing well. Today I am going to introduce to you, we are going to continue with exercise number 3, which is writing the programs in the Visual Basic 2010. Today I am going to discuss with you about the question number 6. My plan is to discuss question number 6 first with you, which is actually to calculate the total mark of the students. You have to see here, the process is given here for you. The process is, like for example, mark equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. That means you want to total the 3 courses which the students take. Normally if you can also add 4 and 5, because there are 5 courses normally what a student take in a university. I want to find the total marks of a student in a particular semester, for example. So how to do it? It is very simple. The total marks equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So let us open Visual Basic. Okay, open a new project as we always do. And then what we are going to do is that we are actually going to now open the form. Now the form is open for us. Now what I am going to do is that you can see this is the form window open. Okay, and now we are also going to have the property window, the solution explorer, the error list, everything, toolbox, everything is there. Now in this question there are going to be 3 inputs according to this question given. Why 3 inputs? Because course 1, course 2 and course 3 according to this question. See, do not consider your own case, consider the case that is given over here. So I am going to use a text box. Can you see here? I am going to use a text box. This is for input 1. Then I right click, copy and paste. Right click, paste. See, now this is text box 3, this is text box 2 and this is text box 3. 3 inputs for 3 courses. And you know very well that I am going to get the output. What is the output? The total marks. So I will put that one here as the output to show the difference. Also you know that we need a button for the process. So I place this as a button for my process. So with these two things, with these things available, what I am going to do is that I am going to just write this one like here. As you know that I will place a label. I will place a label. This is label 1 for the top of this form to give its name. Then label 2, then label 3, then label 4. I am placing 4 labels. Okay, label 4, label 3, label 2. See, it's better to keep it in a sequence so that you know very well where are they located. Label 3, label 4, and I am going to place one more label which is label 5. I am going to place one more label which is label 5. So when I am going to place label 5, you know very well that I am actually going to make the design like this, because you can see that I am actually using 3 inputs and 1 output with a button. Okay, so I hope this is very simple design. So now I have to change the property for the label. In the label button I write here first, find total of the 2 numbers. Find the total of the 3 numbers. See, in the description of this video, maybe it is coming as area of the square, which is wrong because I typed it wrongly. So don't take it confused. This program is for what? Finding the total of the 3 numbers. So this is the first thing. See, you want to make the text to become bigger. Go to font property. Go to the font property. Click on it. Make it bold. Make it 14. Make it like, take any character you like and give OK. See, now this has become bigger. Similarly, I want to change the label 1 as what? I go to the text. See which property I should change? I should change the text property. I go to the text property. I change it as what? First number. I enter it as first number. Then I enter this one here as second number. See, I am going to enter it as second number or second course mark 2. Instead of putting numbers, just put course mark 2, because there are 3 courses the student is studying according to the program question given to you. Similarly, change this one as what? Course mark 1. Change it as course mark 1. Change it as course mark 1. Okay, and then change this one as what? Change this one as course mark 3. Course mark 3. Okay, and also change the name here as, instead of finding the total of, finding the total course mark, finding the total course mark, total course mark. Okay, course mark, for example. Okay, it can be like test 1, test 2 assignment, for example. Okay, course mark 1, course mark 2, course mark 3. You can change it even as test 1, test 2 assignment, and then you can change the button as total. You can change it as total. That's it. Here you can write here total coursework mark, total course mark, total course mark. Okay, the design you can change according to your like. See, now this is okay, but I want to make it become better. What I do is that I go to the font. Okay, I go to the font, I make it bold, I make it 14. You see here, it becomes better. Okay, so you can see here I am just writing it here. Instead of even course mark 1, I will change it as now text. Go to the text, better give it as test 1 mark. Change this one as test 2 mark. Anything you want you can change. See, it's your simple logic, test 2 mark. And then you can change this one as what? Instead of course mark 3, you can give assignment, because you see 20, 20, 20. Okay, I'm just giving like this assignment. For this course, for example, if I'm having this plan, I'm just making it like this, so that test 1, what is the mark, test 2, what is the mark, assignment, and this is the total coursework mark. Okay, now what I have to do, you see, where is the output? The output is coming in the text box 4, and that output is got by adding the value in the text box 1. You can see here text box 2 and then text box 3. So I will double click on the button. Now I will write the code text box 4.text equal to val of text box 1.text plus val of text box 2.text plus val of text box 3.text. Okay, now why there is an error here? See, this is very common to get error, one error. What is the mistake? You see here text box, I did not put the box, box box, because the syntax is not correct. See, now there is no error. After doing this one, I run the program. I enter that in the test, first test student get 19 mark. Second test the student get 16 mark. Assignment the student got 15 mark, for example. Total mark is 50 marks out of 60. You got the idea? It is very simple. You can see the code here, text box 4. This is text box 4. This is text box 1. This is text box 2. This is text box 3. Now I have to save the file. I save all. Then what I do? I just save it as total coursework. Total coursework. I change it as total coursework. I save the file. Okay. So this is how we are going to complete this one. I hope it is very clear. If you have any question, you can ask me. I am willing to answer all your questions in the class. Thank you and see you.